In today's video, we'll learn how to add text behind any video using the CapCut video editor. In order to add any text behind our video through the CapCut editor, we first need to change a setting in our CapCut editor. If we don't do this, we won't be able to add any text behind our video. To make this setting change, we need to click on the menu bar at the very top left of the site. Then we need to click on the setting option. This will bring up a box. Here we will click on the edit option. You will see a blank box near to arrange layer. Click on it. Clicking will save and close the CapCut. Then you will import your video. Now you will bring the imported video to the timeline. Now select the video, hold down the Alt button on your keyboard and duplicate it. After that, select the video from the layer above. Click on the video bar on the right side of the screen and click on the remove BG option here. A little below, you can see auto removal written. Clicking on the blank box next to it will remove the background of our video after you will. Now the video background has removed. If I hide the layer below, you can see that the background from the upper video has been completely deleted. Now to add text, we will click on the text and place a text between the first and second layers. Now you can write your text according to your preference. Additionally, you can modify your text from here.